It's pizza time, but not just any pizza. It's New York style, real, authentic pizza, starting with the best dough possible, homemade from scratch dough. Now I'll take my dough and I'll use semolina flour to stretch it, just to show you how easy it stretches when you use a good authentic pizza dough, not store-bought stuff. Well, you can buy store-bought stuff if you want, to make it a little easier, but I like to keep it real, and I will be putting the recipe on my channel to how to make this pizza dough that you let ferment. I'm also going to use a homemade, my own sauce made with the best San Marzano tomatoes. And you can top your pizza with whatever you want. I like to put a little Parmesan cheese on it, and then take some mushrooms and pepperoni. Like I said, you can put whatever you want on it. Use a good low moisture mozzarella cheese for it. You can use whatever kind of cheese again. Then I like to take some good basil olive oil and put on the top of it to keep the top from burning too much. And then I slide it on my pizza peel using that semolina flour that makes it easy to slide on there. And now look at this, my own outdoor OONI Pizza Oven setup. Look at that. That is a OONI Cameron 16 multi-fuel. I can use wood, I can use charcoal, I can use gas. Today I'm going to use gas just for a quick pizza. Basically, I'll fire it up, stick it on there. Now what I do is I put this on there and I'll tilt it just a little bit to get the dough to touch that hot stone so it stays and it gets off the peel. And then I'll slowly pull the peel out from underneath it, close the lid, close the door, and I can watch inside there as it starts to cook. You got to be careful you don't burn the top while you're cooking it, but look at this pizza. That is a done delicious pizza. I push this crust down there. It's got a little crispy firmness to it, but yet soft, just the way a pizza, New York style pizza is supposed to be. Now look at the bottom of this crust. That's cooked perfectly. I'm going to cut me a little piece here and show you what a New York pizza is supposed to look like. Cuts real nice. Come on, get that roller moving. I'm a little slow. Anyways, look at this flop. That's the way she's supposed to be. That is a delicious fermented dough pizza. All I can say is enjoy.